Turbo Site Builder software. Instantly create web pages in just a few clicks. No HTML, no WordPress, no database needed, and no monthly fees, plus money-making resale rights license to resell your own software with no programming experience at %100 profit. You are about to discover the most powerful tool you ever need to create effective, responsive website and landing pages with Turbo Site Builder software. Do you need a landing page that really drives sales of your product, but you don't want to pay a small fortune to have them made for you? Do you want ample control over your landing page and an easy way to customize the pages to meet your needs over and over again? No time to go back to school to learn to write code? No problem. New. Introducing first time ever. Turbo Site Builder solves your website building and landing page building problems effortlessly. No HTML knowledge is needed. Turbo Site Builder SoftwareNO database is needed. There is no database required. That means you don't need to worry about learning complex languages or code. MySQL is required by the app. Keep in mind, Turbo Site Builder SoftwareNO WordPress is needed. WordPress is fine, yes, but why install it when what you only need is a site to sell your product service? Plus, why exposing your hosting account to hackers without a reason? We all know that there are some really bad people out there looking for outdated WordPress installations to hack. Ouch. Turbo Site Builder software, just install and use. Log into the admin panel and do all of your changes and modifications there. This makes it easy for anyone, even those with no experience. Again, no experience to create customized landing pages. Turbo Site Builder software. Upload your images and edit your content in a flash. It only takes a matter of minutes to change any component of your website. Turbo Site Builder software. Everything you need is located in one simple login and using one simple to use tool. It's that fast and that easy. How does Turbo Site Builder solve your problems? Turbo Site Builder. There's no longer a need to hire a professional to create a landing page for you. You save money. Turbo Site Builder. You can quickly work through this process and create a customized site for your unique needs in minutes. Turbo Site Builder. It's super affordable. Imagine how much of your profit you'll save and how much additional profit you'll make by having a customized site like this so easily within reach. Turbo Site Builder. You pay no monthly fee. Turbo Site Builder. You can create as many sites you want. Turbo Site Builder is super duper turbo easy and is waiting for you to start using it right now. If you've put off creating a landing page or website for your product service before, you no longer have to do so now. With this tool, you can bring it all together and create exactly what you need quickly and affordably. Act now to get the lowest price available on Turbo Site Builder software. We promise you'll be impressed with Turbo Site Builder and you will tell your friends. We'll appreciate it when you do. Turbo Site Builder software. No risk. No questions asked. 60-day money-back guarantee. I am so certain that you will love this builder and you're going to use it many times with joy that I am willing to let you ask for every penny back if after 2 months you haven't found a benefit. I do this because I know it's worth, and so I'm not afraid of you asking for a refund. There will be no questions. What I want you to do is invest in this, play with it, and really love the easy process of creating sites you can use and sell risk-free.